The AI narrative for the next bull run looks inevitable at this point. ChatGPT is literally everywhere now, on the mainstream media, on social media, everywhere. And people are talking about artificial intelligence more than ever. And only based on the ChatGPT's success and hype, many AI crypto coins saw an insane move to the upside in a matter of weeks, during a bear market, without any partnership announcements or development update or anything like that. Just because people started talking about AI and they implement AI in their projects. So speculations in crypto can really make you rich almost overnight. But to be completely honest, even though I like projects like Fetch AI and SingularityNet, and they seem like are the most promising AI crypto projects right now, they already have around $500 million market cap, which makes it extremely hard to do 20-30x from this point. That doesn't mean it's impossible, but I don't think you're here for some 20 or 30x returns, don't you? Even though these are not bad returns at all, but compared to 100x returns, I think we all know which ones we're gonna choose, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you some of the top 5 AI crypto coins that have realistic 100x potential if you accumulate them during 2023. And bear in mind that the price can move really fast, like what happened with the other AI coins that are more established now. But this doesn't mean you should go and invest in these projects as soon as you finish this video. Of course, nothing in this video is financial advice, but I personally expect a decent pullback on Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, so better opportunities will occur down the road. But apart from that, I don't want to waste more time, so I'm gonna start off with the first one on the list, and that is Graphlink Protocol. Graphlink Protocol is simply a set of tools, including an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, and also an engine that runs simultaneously with multiple blockchains and centralized data stream to offer a service of automation of a process without coding skills required. The platform has live drag and drop plugins with over 180 pre-made templates, equivalent to hundreds of lines of code. Graphlink even lets you connect to Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain data feed almost for free, using their native token GLQ for gas. Whether users want to fetch data from a centralized or decentralized stream and send it to Telegram, Discord, and etc., or if they want to set up a trading bot based on some indicators, anything and everything blockchain oriented can be automated with the help of Graphlink Protocol. Here they give some examples of how people use Graphlink. As you can see, by creating your own graph, you can test your code if you're a developer without having to fire up the terminal. You can create an automated bot for handling your member subscriptions. You can monitor a specific pair on Uniswap by linking the Fluxstream data to your Discord and add conditional trigger of a prices change. You can create a graph that alerts you in real time whenever whales move their funds from one wallet to another, and so many other things. They just make all sorts of automations and apps easily achievable through their templates without being able to write a single line of code. And if we take a look at the price chart on Graphlink Protocol on CoinMarketCap, the first thing we can see is that this AI coin didn't have any significant rally yet, and it's been down pretty much since its launch. However, we can see that it made a 20x move to the upside in a little bit over a month due to the hype around AI. Of course, this is only for validation that this project is not just dead, and we can expect it to move like crazy in the next bull run. But something that gives me a very strong conviction that this project can easily do 100x even if we don't get a pullback is its current market cap, and moreover, its fully diluted market cap. Almost 70% of the supply is currently in circulation, which is just great, and we can compare it to Fetch AI, in which only 24% of the tokens are in circulation. And you can see how much would be the market cap if all the tokens go into circulation. That would be a huge dilution. So like I said, the fully diluted market cap is great, and the market cap is below $10 million. So a 100x will put the market cap at $700 million, which is close to the current market cap of SingularityNet, and we are not even in a bull market yet. The market cap of SingularityNet during a bull will probably go to a couple of $1 billion, so $700 million is something absolutely possible. But let me move on to the next one on the list, and that is Robonomics. Robonomics is an open source platform for IoT applications, and IoT stands for Internet of Things, which applications use machine learning algorithms to analyze massive amounts of connector sensor data in the cloud. Using real-time IoT dashboards and alerts, you gain visibility into key performance indicators, statistics for mean time between failures, and other information. Their main goal is to enable direct robot-to-robot and robot-to-human communication by creating a marketplace of robot liability contracts. Robonomics allows users to connect to smart devices using decentralized applications that do not require user data transfer for authentication. Communication takes place via a decentralized network of providers without a single point of failure, and the device independently obtains information from the blockchain network to run for execution or transmit data remotely. Thus, Robonomics provides a high level of device cybersecurity and user data privacy at all stages of communication, from the user application to the launch of the smart device. So basically, you'll be able to achieve human-machine communication using an independent decentralized provider provide a network like Ethereum, and you can see in this video from 2016 how they successfully send transactions to a drone via Ethereum blockchain. So they've put quite a bit of work into this project already, and if I go to CoinMarketCap real quick, their native token is called XRT, and we can see that it's being launched in 2020. So they've put in a lot of work before they release their coin, which is probably why the chart is looking the way it looks. To me, this is a beautiful looking chart, considering their market cap of below $10 million, and we can see that this project already did around 50x returns during the last bull market, and I won't be surprised if it manages to do 100x during the next one, considering that everyone is talking about AI, and almost all AI crypto coins are soaring. However, I must mention one red flag, which is the fully diluted market cap, but that's where the research on your side takes place, to find out their token release schedule and all that, and manage your investment decisions accordingly. Moving on to the next one on the list, and that is Raven Protocol. Raven Protocol describes itself as a decentralized and distributed deep learning training protocol that aims to provide cost-efficient and faster training of deep neural networks. On their decentralized computing model called Ravenverse, you can build and train large-scale artificial intelligence models, Web3 applications, metaverse applications, and gaming dApps. So basically what they do is, they will incentivize people to contribute their computing resources in exchange for Raven tokens, and their computing power will be used to power artificial intelligence, Web3, gaming, video production, video effects, and all sorts of tasks that require computing power that will be time-consuming and cost-inefficient to an individual system. So Raven Protocol utility is actually a mix between metaverse and AI, and I think this is super bullish, as the metaverse narrative is not dead by any means, and it will only grow as the time goes on, and the AI narrative is currently taking over. If we go to CoinMarketCap and check the chart of the Raven coin, we can immediately notice this insane spike that almost got to the last bull market highs, and we are not even close to the next bull market, so a lot of potential right here if you ask me. And we can see that the coin was launched in 2019, and it didn't have an amazing price performance since then, I'm not gonna lie. But as you can see, this doesn't mean anything, and this coin can move a lot in the next bull run. In terms of market cap, again, it is below $10 million, and 100x is definitely a possibility. The fully diluted market cap looks fine. Of course, it's not great, but I think it's just okay. However, I want to point out one red flag, and that is the trading volume. It's super low. I have no clue why it's so low, and I realize that it's only available on decentralized exchanges currently, but it shouldn't be this low even without centralized exchange listings, so be cautious. Number 4 on the list is Ispulink. Ispulink is AI-driven cross-chain platform for developers. They empower blockchain, metaverse, DeFi, and gaming firms to source leading Web3 talents with AI-powered algorithms. So basically, Ispulink is a platform that connects crypto firms, metaverse projects, gaming companies, DeFi businesses, NFT projects, and etc. with the talents they need for their business, and they use AI to find and match the best fit for the desired position. So think of Ispulink like a job recruiting platform like Upwork, for example, where people with blockchain development skills or UX and UI design skills or any type of skills that would be needed for a crypto project can register, and companies will be able to find the right talent fast and efficiently with a full set of tools and unbiased AI algorithms. So they basically aim to make the job recruiting process much easier and smoother for both sides. If we go to CoinMarketCap to have a look at the chart on the ISP token, we can see that it was launched back in 2021, and it made like 25x returns during the last bull run. However, one thing I want to point out is that, considering its low market cap, this AI coin didn't drop like 98 or 99% like many other altcoins with a straight line on the chart for months. It had few pumps here and there, which definitely indicates that the team is actively working on the project, and of course the recent AI narrative pump that most of the AI crypto projects saw. And again, the market cap of this coin is super low at the moment, but I wanna mention that I don't like the fully diluted market cap, and you gotta check the token release schedule on this project if you are considering putting in any money. And the last AI crypto coin on the list is Kintex. Clinical Trials Intelligence is a scalable blockchain platform built for clinical trials to serve as a single source of truth for the clinical trial and pharma industry, and designed for wide adoption by the stakeholders of the ecosystem. Kintex has been designed to transform the medicine development industry through the application of predictive analytics, machine learning, and the novel use of blockchain technology and smart contracts in clinical trials. So using artificial intelligence and predictive data analytics, they aim to bring down the cost of medicine and improve the speed to market of new medicines for the people who need them. Now, I must say that this project is very different from what we usually see in the crypto space, and it's not based on the metaverse, for example, which we have no idea when we're gonna potentially see mass adoption, if we see at all of course, or some Web 2 or Web 3 based things that are for the most part speculations. This project has a real world utility, and not only that, but it's about the most important thing in our lives, our health. So I think this project is very interesting and I genuinely wish to succeed. In terms of price action, this coin was launched around the beginning of the last bull market and it made a decent move to the upside. However, the bear market hit pretty hard this project and the price went all the way down sub 1 cent. Now you can see that during the recent AI pump, Kintex made a very respectful 10x move to the upside, and I don't think that's all we can see from this AI crypto coin. I must say that all these AI coins in this video are capable of doing 100x returns in the next bull run, and that's not only because of their low market cap, but based on many different factors. And I had to filter through hundreds of projects to pick these 5 for you. As you can see, the circulating supply is at 65%, and that puts the fully diluted market cap at a very good spot. Now I wanna quickly say that these microcap coins are very risky and they are extremely volatile. Please do not consider anything in this video financial advice, and make sure you make proper research before you invest your hard-earned money. But apart from that, you can watch this video that popped up on the screen next, where I cover another 3 very promising AI crypto coins. If you don't want to miss any future content, consider subscribing to my channel as well. But that's it for now, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.